everybody, this is Caesar with Small Engine Velocity coming at you with kind of a moto vlog and kind of a video. Today I am doing something that I didn't think I was going to do. I'm going to go ahead and put on a different exhaust other than the header. I got a good deal from the internet, a subscriber named Alan. He recently won a Yoshi exhaust from a Waffle and had his old exhaust and went ahead and sold it to me for an incredibly good price. So I went ahead and bought it, and it is now installed. So I just wanted to give a real quick shout out to the Dirty Riders of West Covina. They say they're a bunch of mini bike enthusiasts, but I'm pretty sure it's mini bikes and ruckuses. I guess a ruckus is technically a mini bike also. And in addition, they're a Filipino mini bike community from West Covina and Carson, California. And they say the main mechanic is Carson. They call him Grandmaster J. Anyways, I really appreciate you guys letting me buy this exhaust instead of recycling within your group. I was really getting annoyed with that header, and I really haven't had time to build the exhaust, so this is technically the second video in the Build Your Own Exhaust series. And it's really called Buy an exhaust to put in while you're waiting for the other one to be built, I guess. Anyways, let's take a look at the exhaust. But before that, let's roll that intro. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at this exhaust. Probably noticed that is a Yoshi exhaust, and the Yoshi exhaust is stuck on a header that is not made by Yoshimura. It is the Just for Show exhaust header that went to the GY6 exhaust. It doesn't have hooks connected to it, but I guarantee you that exhaust is not coming off anytime soon. So I really wanted to just get a ride on it. I mean, obviously I rode it already because I'm here over at Vintage Park. So I just wanted to go ahead and jump into the helmet cam, and then we'll go ahead and see what it sounds like compared to what it did with the header. So let's go ahead and put on the helmet. Awesome. Let's get riding. All right, here we go. And as you can tell already, you could probably hear me better, and the exhaust is not super loud. Now, it's a little bit of a surprise. It's a little quieter than I thought it would be. I did notice, I think that there's a silencer in on at the top, but I think I'm just going to leave it like that. I don't want it to be super loud. I may change my mind later on and make it louder. But when I got this exhaust, it had, like, on the end of it, wrap. You know, that fiberglass wrap on it that was black. And then I decided to take it off. So I took it off, and I noticed there's a little bit of a dent in the intake tube, or in the exhaust header, but that's fine, not a big deal. I ended up sanding it a little bit and not polishing it, sanding it and getting all the goo from the wrap off. And then I went ahead also and I straightened the flange. The flange was a little bit crooked, so I put it in the press and then flattened it out a little bit around the edges so that it'll fit flusher against it, and it seems like it's working.
I mean, if you listen to it now, it doesn't sound like it's going crazy. Now, if you're wondering what's going to happen with the build series that we've been working on forever on, basically I only have one video on it, technically two now with this one. I did buy several mufflers, and I'm just kind of deciding on how I want to do it. Do I want to do like a Sidewinder exhaust, kind of like Dorby style? Do I want one that sticks up? Like, how do I want to make the exhaust? I mean, have they ever made a center exhaust? I doubt it, but I don't think that would work. But anyways, I thought I still want to build one. Just a custom exhaust, just something that no one else has, or at least some parts that no one has, and something that I made. So, it seems like whenever you look at an exhaust on the market today for any bike, any good ones, they're always super expensive. And I kind of get why, because, like, you know, they're not easy to make, but like $400, $500, like, that seems like a lot. But, you know, if you got the name and the proper air, the build quality, then I don't see why not. $500 seems reasonable. They're turning. Why aren't you going? Look, the left turn lane is over there, the left turn lane is over there, and then this person's sitting here waiting for the light to turn green in a right turn lane only. Oh well. No, now you move up. Anyways, it's been a easy journey on this one. Thank you guys for the sale of the exhaust Dirty Riders. I really appreciate it, not recirculating amongst your large group of other Filipinos, because that's generally the way it would work, and letting this part be released to me so that I can use it in the interim while I work on my own exhaust. Anyways, let's get a little bit of loudness on here. Whoa, I feel like I'm a little bit faster. Okay, well, anyways, you probably didn't hear very much because it's not as loud as I thought it would be. But anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see everybody in the next video.